Morning. So here we go again. Another day on the well, we'll say another day. Look at the weather. We've got kind of like that versus that. I don't know which one is going to win. So it'll be as much as I can do until the weather turns for the worse. But yeah, at the moment I'm going to just going to have a quick look. So, going to be having a go at this. Putting a fresh plate in there, and ooh, what's that got in there? Oh, it's a little bit harnesses or something. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing this morning. Get through there. There we go. Yeah, I'll get that cleaned up, and hopefully the weather holds out long enough for me to weld a plate on there. Okay, so I've fabbed up a plate for there to come round and under there. But I've just remembered I've got to trim this because it's not fitting quite right, so I've got to trim it so that it moves back down there. This isn't quite in line, so I'm going to take this out and yeah, square it up a bit. Yeah, okay, so we're pretty much there with this now. That is in there solid now. Welded down there, welded there, up and around here. Not the best welding in the world, but don't think I'll be getting any jobs on any oil rigs anytime soon, but they ain't going anywhere. Got welded up here and all. Put a few more bolts and that in there. Jobs are good, I reckon. Yep, and just like that, it's raining again. Bloody man, I said it never stops. Drip, 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 drip. Anyway, I'll say that bit's. I'll get some sealant in there in a minute. And I'm sure this has gone off, but I'll put some zinc primer. Zinc primered all this, and I'll put a bit of seam seal around there and in the footwell and bolt the floor back in. Job done for the moment. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Oh, I'd just like to say thank you. I've got some new subscribers. I know you're not here to see me, you're here to see my beautiful Series 2A, or you might be here to have a look at Herman the German Beetle, or maybe even my BWT 2500 wraps here. But anyway, I've got some new subscribers, which I'm very appreciative for. It's only a small channel, been going for a couple of years, don't seem to pick up much interest, but I don't mind, because really it's about documenting what I'm doing, really, and just being able to look back when I'm old and grey. Hang on, I'm already old and grey, but yeah, you know what I mean. But anyway, thanks again.